celebrities will be coming. Ajay Devgn has confirmed, and there will be performances of Varun Dhawan, Karthik, Sara Ali Khan will also be performing. Then Christine Tressa will be from South, she will be there. Amruta Khanvilkar, she is Marathi, known filmmaker, they all will be. Then a lot of other stars presence will also be there. Pankaj Tripathi has so far confirmed. Then Mr. Prabhudeva has confirmed. Sunil Shetty has confirmed. And in the closing ceremony also a lot of people will be there. As of their travel plan are yet to finalize. Mostly Mr. Jackie Shroff has confirmed, and in the opening Mr. Manoj Bajpayee will be also be there. So these are the few names which I recall immediately. Otherwise we will share an official list also who will be coming, whose travel plan has reached to us so far. But these, whatever I have revealed, they have been confirmed so far.
Chief guest.
There is no chief guest sort of thing this time. We will be conferring the Lifetime Achievement Award in the opening ceremony, but there is no official chief guest. As far as the protocol is concerned, Governor of Goa, Honorable Governor, he will be the highest dignitary. Total number of screenings are, what is the exact? It's 180 in the international section, and then around 282 in the Indian Panorama section, and few of the other components also. So it will be go around more than 500.